travels a distance of 24 kilometers from T on a bearing of 060 degrees to U. He then travels a distance of 18 kilometers to a point V, and V is 30 kilometers from T. Find A, the bearing of V from T, the bearing of U from V. So from what I'm seeing, we are giving only one bearing, but we are giving all the three sides. And looking at this, you notice that the sides form a right angle triangle. Yes, because if you notice, if you can observe that 24 squared plus 18 squared will give me 30 squared. Yes, therefore the triangle that will be formed is a right angle triangle. So let's draw the diagram. So okay, these are the 3 points. So they said from T on a bearing of 60. So let's start from, so this is my angle 60. So this is my angle 60 degrees, that's 060. We need to be careful. We can go this way to get the other point, or we can go the other way to get it. And how do you know which one is correct? Let's try, because we'll form a right angle triangle. So it's either we'll go because they didn't tell us. So how do you do it? Let's test first. So assuming we go this way, remember this is 24 from here. So remember, I'm testing this. So this is 24. And you know this distance, this is our, okay, this is T. And this is our U. So we assume that V is this last, let's take it here. So let's assume this is our V for now, third point. So remember this is 90. So let's the distance V. So we have 18. So let's test whether it's correct by getting this angle. Let's call it theta. We'll see that tan theta will be opposite, which is 18 over 24. So solving for theta, we now have arctan of 18 over 24, which is 36.87. And if you look at this, we see that, remember, the total angle is 90. So if you add 60 and 36.87, it will exceed 90, meaning that it should have gone down. That's V should come down. But it can't come down because the distance is 18. So it can't be longer than 24. So this diagram is wrong, very wrong. So we'll now use the other side, which is this. So I'm going to wipe this. We'll now do the actual diagram. So V will be up here. So let's do it. So let's move this down so that we'll have small space. So this moves here. Okay. So let's draw the correct diagram. The other one is wrong, because from our observation the angle exceeds 90. So meaning we are moving the other way. So we should duplicate this. So we are moving the other way. Yes. Which is shorter than the former distance. The former distance is 24, while this is 18, so it should be shorter than that. So something like this. So this is now the correct diagram. So we have that this is angle 60 and this is angle 90. Let me use red. This is 60. This is angle 90. So this is our 24. This is our 18. So let's complete the diagram by joining. So this is from T to V. Okay. Okay, we can still use this. Yes, because remember we called here theta. Let here be theta, which is now tan theta is 18 over 20. So it's still valid. Why the remaining part here is 60 minus theta, because total is 60. So I've gotten theta as 36.87. Therefore, the first question, the bearing of V from T is, as you can see, this is my, okay, I didn't label, sorry. This is T, this is U, and this is V. So I skipped it because remember we tested using another triangle then. So the bearing is now, see, from T to V. So we are looking for this small part, which is 60 minus theta is 60 minus 36.87, which is, I think is 23.13. So that's the answer. The bearing is 23.13. That's the first question. The second one, the bearing of U from V. From the bearing of U from V. So we are looking for from here to here. So that's what we are looking for. But before we get it, we need to get this. Let's call it beta. We need to get, let's call this small part, let's call it beta. Yes, because once we know it, we now do 180 minus beta. That's the bearing. And also, before we get beta, we need to get, okay, let me use this. We need to get this. Okay, let me use yellow so that we need to get this, and this is also this. Yes, by alternate angle theorem. That's the angle here is alternate to that, so they are the same. So to get beta now, 0.13 minus 23.13. Yes, that's 30 degrees. You'll be wondering, how did I get 53.13? Remember here theta is 36.87. This is 90, so this should be 53.13 to make it 18. That's angle V, angle TVU. So to get beta, we subtract this 60 minus theta from it. That's how I got 30. So therefore, the bearing we are looking for, beta is 30. Therefore, the bearing of U from V is 180 minus 30, because the total angle from here is 1/8 minus 30, which is 150. So it's a very tricky question. Thank